Jenny, guess what?
What's going on?
Dude, guess what? We just found out we got nominated
For what?
for the Lincoln's Choice Awards, brought to you by the Lincoln Journal-Star and Union Bank and Trust.
Wow, that is so exciting. Do you think our clients will vote for us?
Oh my gosh, I really hope so. But if they would like to, they can totally go to lincolnschoice.com and vote for us there.
How often can people vote?
They can vote every day.
Every day?
Every day until the end of the month, so February 28th.
Wow, until the end of February?
Oh, I know, how incredible is that?
What else do you need to tell them?
Oh gosh, so when they go to the website, lincolnschoice.com, they need to scroll down to housing, and then underneath housing, you're gonna see like a bunch of different things like real estate agent and real estate company. So you wanna make sure that you're on real estate team and you just click vote.
That's easy enough.
Right? And they can just do that every single day.
So when will the winner be announced?
And the winners will be announced on lincolnschoice.com and on the Lincoln Journal-Star's Facebook page on March 31st in a special ceremony sponsored by Union Bank and Trust.
Can't wait, the suspense is killing me.
So let's get out there and tell everyone we can.
Okay, all
Awesome.
right.